In this video, you are going to see how to skip the cover page number in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, here is the first page and I have no page number over here. The page number is starting from the page 2. So what is the exact way to do this? Let's get started. Here I have a Microsoft Word document with multiple pages. Let us go to insert, go to page number. If you want to apply it in the top, you can choose top of page. Let us choose bottom of the page and choose plain number 2. Then the page number will be inserted from the page on. Click on this footer and go to header and footer and click on different first page. You will see the page number has been removed from the page number on, but the page number is still starting from 2 over here. Let us choose the page 2. In the footer, go to page number. Go to format page number, go to start at and write here 0 and click on OK. Then here you will see the page number is starting from page number 2 and here is 1 and 2 and so others. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.